What's up, guys? This is Jay. I got some really cool update for you guys when it comes to NFT. What the fuck? This NFT? NFT. My bad. Wow, I had a what do I call it? Fob moment there. Now, what I'm gonna tell you guys is not financial advice, so do your own research. All right, let's get started. Okay, so to start with this quote: "Invest in yourself. You can afford it, and I think it's free." It's the cheapest thing you can do and the most effective thing you can do because you are your best asset. It doesn't matter what happens outside of you as long as you can maintain your cool and adapt to the ever-changing environments. I think you'll be good. Well, that's my honest opinion. And yeah, take it however you like it or whatever. I mean, whatever it means to you, because everyone is different in their own ways. And yeah, everyone has their own journey. So I don't know how this quote right here will affect you. Okay, so let's take a look at the big guys. The Fed still has not majorly pumped their repos, but look at this triple sixes. I don't think that was coincidence, man. I think it was meant to be for me to see this. Could be the devil's number, or it could be something else. What if that reputation of three six, yeah, triple six, it being a devil's number? What if that was a lie? What if the story was distorted throughout time and made it look like the opposite? You never know. That's a hypothetical right there. All right, let's move on to the other indicators. Okay, crude oil is nearing $100, so this is market positive right here, and I do believe that 1.65 is a pretty big jump. So I see a good pump from that, but we got to take a look at the other guys, which is the Dixie is one of them. So this right here is indicating that they in holy crap, this is a negative for the markets. So this is this kind of cancels out crude oil, and the yield rate is also going up consistently. Wow. Well, I was watching Greg Menarino's videos earlier, and he says the time when we should be scared is when we see the 10-year yield just keep spiking up nonstop. Like it should go from like 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, like on a daily basis. So that is when we got to be scared because the higher this goes, the more pressure it's going to put in the market. So this is pressure in the market. Dixie's pressure in the market. This is not pressure in the market. This is good for the market. And this is stable. So I don't see us moving up at all. Oh, just a tiny bit. And as you can see, we're doing a pullback, which is kind of expected. That's fine because we did have a pump. We went from like high 30s to like mid 40s, and now we're just making a normal correction, in my honest opinion. Okay, so the next coin, or not even a coin, it's considered a virtual asset. This virtual asset is in the Cardano protocol. Let's see this guy right here. And you know what? Let me give you a little story on this guy. So I found this guy back in like 2020. First move I made was on XRP. It was a coin that was shilled by my friend Jet, and then I started looking around for other opportunities to invest. And I thought Cardano was big on the smart contracts, and at that time when it came to smart contract, ETH was like number one, and it was expensive, and I wanted more multipliers, so I went after Cardano, and I saw it around like 6 to 10 cents. I only put it in like a couple bills, but knowing the things I know now, I should have put more because my investment in XRP didn't really grow as much. Now I'm not bummed out about it because of XRP. I was able to find out about a lot of things in the financial sector. Nah, not to the point where I can teach you guys, but like I found out weird connections happening with the people in power and how it affects crypto. And yeah, XRP has like a big backing, and so does Cardano. But anyways, right now, it's $1. Yeah, I think it's going up way higher. I remember in September. Oh yeah, it's around here. This thing went up to like $3. That was the highest it's ever been but I do think that we're just making higher lows, and this thing is gonna go higher. And they're doing a lot of things in Africa, Southeast Asia, and also South America. They're basically planning for the future because, and when it comes to like this new economy, it's not geared towards our current generation right now, which is for me right now. I'm in my 30s, so for us, we're just basically the guys to support it, in my honest opinion. And the ones that are like the main targets are the younger generation, like Gen Zs and over that, and also artificial intelligence. So when all those guys are done their education, like learning about blockchain, learning how to use Cardano, that's when they're gonna start developing the next generation of entrepreneurs, and they're gonna be building platforms on top of Cardano as well as XLM, mainly about Cardano. And yeah, even though this guy is like slow at the moment, they are focusing more on the infrastructure rather than going for fast money right away. They see the bigger picture of things, and another thing, they are partners with AGIX, which, in my opinion, is the most powerful cryptocurrency project because they're dealing with AI. I don't want to get into AI right now. All right, so the project I want to talk about is Cardano Buds right here. This is a play to earn NFT game. So what it is you just basically stake this right now in the Buds or Fights pool. I'm not gonna open those, and you earn their native coin called CBTHC, which is this guy right here. Stake and bake. So when you're staking it, you earn this guy, and you basically use that guy for this part right here. Grow your own adventure. That's when you're actually growing your own virtual marijuana in the blockchain. And the CBTHC is what you're going to use to gather materials to grow your plant. It's going to be sick. So this is the current roadmap right now. They already launched this, the Buds and Fight stake pools. That's where you stake um, your NFT to earn CBTHC. This was the first wave. So like whoever purchased these NFTs, there were only like 1,500 available, and they're not gonna continue that one. So yeah, so they are very scarce, guys. Right now, we're still in the process of selling these out. I got in the phase 3 part. Phase 4 is already done. They already have that, and this I'm not entirely sure of. This is one of Cardano's decentralized exchange. I haven't checked that exchange yet, so I don't know if this is already available. But it should be, if this is already out. So Cardano Marketplace is already available for us. It's right here, cnft.io, and then you can see other people's what do you call it, their NFTs right here. So these ones are pretty cheap. Maybe I should get this one. Let's see if it's available. I like the design. Instant buy. Oh, sick. Yeah, let me buy it. Nami wallet. Oh, press continue. Oh, I've never done this before. I've never purchased any. Oh, what the hell? Your active wallet does not contain their asset. What are you talking about? Yo, bullshit. That Cardano right here. The fuck, man? Oh, maybe I gotta buy with this. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, this is lame. Let me try again. Confirm buy. Creating transaction. Fuck. Alright, well, fuck that. Alright, so now we're here. Or actually, we're going towards this phase right here. I think it's gonna occur around Q2 of this year, which I'm gonna show you in what do you call it, white paper. But first, I'm gonna show you this part. So they are also they have this plan to grow their own strain and call it Cardano. So when that does happen, I'm gonna try to get my share of that, and taste it. And Yes, they're also in the process of creating an app, so that way, everyone that has a phone, pretty much is like a lot of people, they're gonna be able to, play this game or whatever it is that they're gonna have. And if you want to mint some right now, this is how you do it. It's right here. So you're gonna have a Cardano wallet. The one I'm currently using is called Nami Wallet. You can attach this to your Brave browser or whatever browser you're using, like Mozilla or whatever. And you gotta make sure you have Cardano in there. Do not send Cardano from the exchange, because what they will do is they will send the NFT to their wallet, and you're not gonna have control of it. So do this the decentralized way. Send the Cardano from your wallet. So like, let's say you have Nami wallet. I'm gonna show you guys. Just click this button right here. Send the address, which is this one. Let's see if I do this. Boom. And the beauty about this project is that you can actually buy multiples. So let's see, right now we're in tier 2. Each NFT costs 45 ADA. So let's say I want to buy 2. I would type in 2. I would type in 2. Type in 90 because 2 times 45, whatever. And then after that, transaction not possible, of course, because I don't have enough money. But after this, you just type in your password, and then yeah, you're good to go. It should be there within like 20 minutes or so. That's how it works, man. And it is pretty randomized, so you never know what you're gonna get. So far, I tried to get the ones with really cool backgrounds. Let me show you guys actually. 13 collectibles. All right, so when you do get this or your NFTs, you do get some CBTHC. And one thing to know is that, see how there's many zeros right here? That is actually a bug. You got to remove 6 zeros, and that is exactly how many you have. Right now, I think I only have 180. So this is gonna change. So if you're seeing this and then you all of a sudden you see it being reduced, don't panic. It's just a bug right now. So yeah, these are my current list of NFTs right here, guys. I'm jumping in. Cardano right now is still undervalued in my honest opinion. Just just mainly their NFT marketplace. Now, in terms of the overall protocol, yeah, fuck yeah. They have so many projects being built on top of it. It's just sleeping right now. People don't understand this because they're distracted with a bunch of the other ones. They don't know. And all these ones are space tokens, but I'm not going to talk about that. Okay, that's for another video. Right, but anyways, guys, each and every single one of these has a different stat. So one could be a different strain. This could be a different strain, and I think you'll learn more about it here. This is their white paper. In order to get it, you should go to the about part and click white paper, and you'll get there. Ta-da! This is the first one, first wave. This is the second wave. Abstract. So basically, you're growing your own virtual marijuana, and it's a play to earn game. So it's kind of like playing Farmville if you ever played Farmville. And if you want to stake your buds, which everyone should be doing, so that way you get some CBTHC. This is the the stats, the tokenomics, whatever. So yeah, this is the grow your own kit, grow your own adventure. That's when you actually start, playing the game, growing your own marijuana online. Let's see, and yes, each and every single one of these seeds is gonna have their own sets of attributes, and it's gonna be randomized as well. If you want to get into the technicals, please do read this yourself because I'm not going to explain it to you guys. I'm just going to get to the main parts. Plant yield potential. Oh, look at this part. All plants will then produce an average of 420 CBTHC. That's fucking sick, man. The way they did the math to get this as the end result, amazing. Good job. Your seed banks. Yeah, your seeds will mature and basically it has a chance to become another gender. So they start out as a female, I believe, and then when they mature, there's a chance they can either stick to being female or a male, and then you can breed them. The marketplace is already up. I already showed you guys. Tried to buy this, but it didn't work. Fuck that. And in terms of tokenomics, the CBTHC, there's only 400. Ah, nice. I just noticed that. 420 million on the Cardano mainnet. So yeah, man, it's not some crazy ass number like a trillion. So it being limited to this amount is, I think, is really good because now there's a better chance of this being a little bit more volatile in terms of price. Let's see. This is the other tokenomics. Oh, what the heck was that? And let's see. Future development plans. Well, we're still in the early stages if you're watching this video, so they're definitely gonna update this white paper as we go. So who the team is, you can read about it here. Blah blah blah. So basically, they've been part of the Cardano community since the other eras, like was it Mary Mainnet? Mary Mainnet. What the heck? Let's see. Where does it say that? What the heck? Swear. Hold on. Alright. We've been active members of the community prior to the Mary era, pre-native assets. So if you take a look at Cardano's roadmap, you'll definitely be able to spot as to around like how long they've been out or they've been doing this. Because I don't remember when the Mary era was, to be honest. My guess is 2020. Let's see. So how do you stake your NFTs? Once again, you delegate to Budz or fight pool with your Cardano Buds asset in your wallet. So I already have it in the wallet. That's all you need to do. And then you go to the specific website. And then you find the staking pool in there and just sign the smart contract. And then you're good to go. And then, yeah, man. That's it. So, yeah, guys. When it comes to this, my honest opinion, when it comes to these NFTs, they're evolving. And this is the first of its kind, especially when it comes to NFTs and Cardano. Definitely worth the time to get some and grow some virtual marijuana with me. Yeah, yeah. Take care.